My father, latently too, wanted to build a company that could solve complex engineering challenges. He wanted to be great at that. And by all measures, he succeeded.
It's been 75 years, and the Lee Company has grown from my grandfather at his kitchen table to a company of more than 1,100 people. Each person who works here is an extension of our Lee family and is an integral part of why this company is what it is today.
Every day, every product, every step forward, we do it together. None of this would be possible without that. The employees built this company.
Throughout all the industries that we serve, the Lee Company is known for having the highest quality. We understand how vital our miniature parts are in the systems that our customers are building.
Having gotten our start in aerospace, where the requirements for perfection are obvious, a very high level of focus is part of our culture. The smallest details matter to all of us.
From the initial concept for a design through the development and testing, sales, production, inspection, shipping, and all the vital support functions that result in solving our customers' needs, we all understand our parts are mission critical. It doesn't matter what role an employee has at the company or if they even actually touch the part. Their contribution matters.
I love the people I work with. We're a very close-knit organization. It's like having 1,100 family members. I've gotten to greet them on their first days, walked with them, talked with them, celebrated important milestones in their lives, and successes here at work. It's a huge honor playing a part in helping them achieve the life they want and the things they dream of.
We recognize that our team works hard at challenging jobs. We prioritize taking care of everyone by ensuring healthy work environments, advanced training, upward mobility, good pay, and generous benefits.
From the time my father built this company, through the years my brother Leighton Lee III was CEO, and then my tenure, the Lee Company has grown to 11 product groups, each one like a small company unto itself.
Although we're all part of the same company, there are things that make each product group and department special. It feels personal and supportive.
Now with my niece Marietta taking over as CEO, the company will continue to innovate. And who knows what the number of product groups will be in 10, 20, 75 years from now.
My grandfather probably never imagined his company would grow to be what it is today, much less that his granddaughter would be running it 75 years later. I am honored and excited to be taking on this new role.
My father was clearly a dreamer, way ahead of his time. I don't think he'd be surprised that his granddaughter is taking over. Thrilled beyond belief, but not surprised. This transition marks an important milestone for the business. Going from a second generation to the third has been a planned process over several years.
My hope is to continue our long tradition of steady, stable growth, improving and expanding our products, and serving the markets all over the world. Most importantly, I want to see our employees continue to exceed the prosperity they thought was possible in their lives by offering them opportunities and advancement. My biggest goal is for our employees to feel fulfilled, knowing that they helped keep people safe.
I wish everyone in the company today could have known my father. He would be very proud of us. 75 years later, it's incredible to see what we've been able to transform this company into and the products that we have engineered. Our employees are the heart and soul of this company. The safety that we bring to the world with our products is through them.